Tubulin assembly into microtubules explained with help from vines. What is tubulin? Tubulin is a globular protein.
I'm the glub-glow-gab-gala.
Tubulin polymerizes into long chains or filaments that form microtubules. Tubulin is a monomer, meaning it can be bonded to other identical molecules to form a polymer. What are microtubules? Microtubules are a microscopic tubular structure that form part of the cytoskeleton and provide structure and shape to the cytoplasm in eukaryotic cells, some bacteria, and some archaea. As mentioned before, microtubules are built from dimers of tubulin. Structure of tubulin dimers. Alpha and beta monomers bind together to form a tubulin dimer.
And they were roommates.
Oh my god, they were roommates.
Each monomer binds to a GTP because when each monomer sees their GTP, they're like, the beta monomer is stacked on top of the alpha monomer, therefore GTP is blocked in alpha but solvent exposed in beta. Formation of the microtubule causes hydrolysis of GTP in beta, but not in alpha because it is buried within the protein.
You can see though, right?
I'm legally blind, I can see, barely, but I'm an innocent bystander.
Come on, Miss Guido, let's
Know
get
what
the
I'm
car.
saying?
Protofilament assembly. Hydrolysis of the GTP on beta drives assembly of the filament. These alpha and beta tubulin dimers will stack on top of each other to form a long chain. This is the protofilament. The dimers will first add to the protofilament, then GTP will be hydrolyzed. We will only need the energy from one phosphate bond, so only one GTP is hydrolyzed.
I just got a random burst of energy.
These protofilaments are held together with non-covalent bonds. Microtubule formation. These protofilaments are lined up side by side to form a cylinder. It takes around 13 of them to form a full cylinder. A hollow cylinder is formed rather than a solid filament because it is more rigid and sturdy. These cylinders are microtubules.
Let's go! Stop hitting your chest, you're making a radio.
The major function of the centrosome is to polymerize tubulin into microtubules. These microtubules have a positive end and a negative end. The negative end of a microtubule, which is in the centrosome, is covered by a tubulin ring complex. The tubulin ring complex adds new tubulin to the growing microtubule, pushing the positive end further away from the centriole. Subunits can also be removed from this end, shortening the microtubule.
Get out of my car!
That is how tubulin assembles into microtubules.